Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several days ago. That is where these green and red line annotations were coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, actually, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So ideally speaking, what would make the chart look the best? Definitely if the price can stay up above 51 cents. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies that the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would definitely, be a good sign of overall strength. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as Friday and then next week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 51 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, initial group of sellers right up here around 55 cents. And if the price can push through there, got to squeeze down the chart here a little bit. That may very well be a blue sky breakout. So let's just see right here. Nope, there we go. So I get it. Chart's getting very, very hard to see. But like I said, that's definitely a good problem to have. Let's just do this and change it to the daily time frame to make our lives a little easier here. So there we go. So with the break of, wow, that was a crazy movement back there, huh? So with the break of 55, the next key overall level of resistance right up there around the 60 cent mark. So 55 and 60, next two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building those higher bases, that is what you want to see. But definitely a great way to close out the day. And now it'll be interesting to see how this one finishes off the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.